The nervous system plays an essential role in the integration and control of our body systems and makes sure that all of the body systems are working together to support the needs of the body. Now, the nervous system is organized into two main categories: the central nervous system, or the CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or the PNS. Peripheral means on the side of. Now, if we look here, the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and we're going to talk about each one of those in detail. And the peripheral nervous system consists of all of the nerves that are either bringing signals or information to the central nervous system, or the nerves that are sending signals or carrying signals away from the central nervous system. The nerves that are carrying signals to the central nervous system are called sensory. They are providing information about the external environment or the internal environment to the central nervous system. This information comes from our special senses like vision and smell and taste and hearing. Can come from our somatic division, which means our skin and our skeletal muscles. Or comes from the visceral division. Viscera means internal organs. So this brings information about the state of our internal organs. That information has to go through the central nervous system, and the central nervous system responds through the motor division. Motor means that it's going to make an action happen. And the motor division is divided into the somatic motor, which sends signals to our skeletal muscles and tells them when to contract and how hard to contract. And there's also the visceral motor division, which tells our internal organs to speed up or slow down or dilate or constrict or secrete more or secrete less. The visceral motor division is also known as the autonomic nervous system, and it consists of two branches, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. The sympathetic is also nicknamed the fight or flight response, and it's responsible for changing your body system's functions to support you getting away in a life or death matter. You are in danger. So the sympathetic does things like speeds up your heart, increases your blood pressure, increases your breathing, and decreases things like digestion, which you don't need to be doing if you are running for your life. The parasympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system does the opposite. It's known as the rest and digest branch. And the parasympathetic nervous system does things to help you maintain and conserve so that you have the resources you need if you do end up in danger. So for instance, the parasympathetic will tell your heart rate to slow down. It will cause you to breathe less because you don't need to be spending the energy on those things unless you're in danger. And it will stimulate things such as digestion, because when you're not in danger, that's a good opportunity to make sure that you have what you need for the next time.